Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna be cool. So guys, today we are going to do a house tour of my grandma and grandpa's house because I'm still not in my house. Okay, let's go. First, me and Ned's room. I already gave you a tour of this, but the hallway. The hallway. Bathroom. It's pretty dark. Turn the light on. Oh, yeah, that's the bathroom. They have a front. How is that fair? During the YouTube video. During the YouTube video. During the YouTube video. Doing a YouTube video.
You need a video?
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh, you're doing a video.
So, yeah. This is our living room. It's a workroom. Here. It's dark in there. Yeah. It's here, and I'm also making this so late. The caution. There you go. That's the garage in the basement. So, Grandma is in the living room. Yeah, that's it. So that's our house tour, and I'm back in here. So yeah, we are now bye, we're done. Bye, have a good time, and see you in the next video. Bye.